Find cash in the trash. What's up, scrappers? Today I'm gonna show y'all a top secret way that I've found to find cash in the trash. And it's just that easy. Every scrapper I know picks up these metal wire dog kennel cages like once a month or so. I mean, you get these all the time, and the majority of the time, not always, there will be just a bent wire that's out of place where it's got rusted out or whatever, and 9 times out of 10 you can bend that back with a pair of channel locks. If you have a small piece of wire that's broken, you can weld it back together. They sell these little 110 volt wire welders on Amazon for around 100 bucks, 120 bucks. And normally that's all it takes, maybe 5 minutes of your time to put this thing back together the way it needs to be. And these are a quick 20, 40. This will be about $100 right here on Facebook Marketplace, and I'll sell them pretty fast. I'm gonna set them up, clean them up, get them posted, see what kind of money I make. And I just want you guys to take away from this: when you pick up these dog kennels, don't just throw them on your trailer. That's only a couple pounds of scrap. It ain't gonna pay you anything when you can make $100 off these things. Now we have this stuff called Parvosol. You can get it from a local vet. It kills the parvovirus. You don't necessarily have to do this when trading dog kennels, but I had a puppy that had parvo and almost died, so you know, I don't know exactly where these kennels came from, so I just go ahead and treat them with this Parvosol before I even think about selling them to anybody. So we'll let that Parvosol sit on there for a few minutes, let them dry out, then we'll snap some pictures and get them posted on Facebook Marketplace. So there it is, y'all. Quick and easy 100 bucks, cash from the trash, just like that. I hope you guys liked the video. If you haven't already, take a chance to hit that subscribe button, like and share the channel out. That's just one quick way that I found to make 100 bucks, and that's cash from the trash. Didn't take me anything to make this money, and that's an honest day's pay where I'm from. That's 8 hours hard work. I didn't put anything extra into this. These dog kennels, I picked them up while I was already hauling scrap metal or cleaning up properties or hauling off junk. I was already getting paid for being there. So what I do is I just sit them to the side, make sure they're all there and that they collapse and set up properly. And I just stack them up till I have 4, 5, or 6 of them. And just like y'all saw, spray them off, bend the wires back if I have to with some channel locks. At the very most, weld the corner piece or any of the wires that are broken, weld them back on with this cheap $100 welder I got from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check that out. But that's it. Not very much work. It took me maybe 15, 20 minutes to clean them up, another 5 minutes to post them on Facebook. And I sold 3 of them right away. And I sold the last one the second day it was posted on Facebook. So I hope you guys got some useful information from that. This does not just apply to dog kennels. There's tons of other things that people are throwing out left and right that other people will pay good money for. So you guys get out there and happy scrapping. Go get y'all some free cash from the trash. I got to figure out a way to spend mine. Y'all have a good one.